back with a cat. And a second cat. Alright. Here are the crickets. Here's his food. Well, the cricket's food. Go in! And up here somewhere. Can't find him. Where'd you go? Oh. Where'd you go? Right there. He's shedding and he's super sexy. He looks like he just came out of the grave in a white outfit and is awesome. I love him. Stupid crickets. Stay in. It's rotting to potato. Ew! Ew! What's that, Baggy? It's a potato. Ew! Ew! Stupid potato. I got crickets, potatoes, and a little bit of water for the crickets. Hi, little buddy. Alright. Now, the cricket breeding. I got same thing for the food. Potatoes, teensy. Potatoes, carrots, and a little bit of water to keep it moist. Alright, and then we have these, which they like to go in. Nope. Go! That's the cricket breeding habitat. And that's it. And I think that we're going to make this one, we're going to rescreen it, do everything again, and we are going to make it into a mealworm breeding habitat, is what I think. I'm not 100% positive. And that is it. Bye.